It is said that the eyes are the window to the soul, and only one person in the world has this special ability. Welcome to Fun Facts. There are a lot of things happening in our bodies that we have no control over. For instance, most of us can't control the size of our pupils unless we do something like alter the amount of light that is directed into our eyes. However, in a study published in the International Journal of Psychophysiology in 2021, there was a remarkable person with a unique ability. Fun fact: there is a man who can change the size of his pupils on command, and he is the only known person in the entire world to be able to do this. As mentioned earlier, most people can alter their pupil size with light. The more light there is, the smaller the pupil becomes. This is also the reverse for low light conditions where the pupil becomes larger to let more light in. Illicit drugs also have the effect of constricting pupils, causing them not to react to light changes. Could you be the second person in the world that can alter their pupil size on command? Give it a try. We hope you enjoyed this fun fact. Check out one of our other videos for facts that will truly amaze you.